Okay, maybe I was out in the sun just a little too long. I know just how to fix it. So let me share with you. If you're in the sun too long, you think, oh my gosh, I know I needed to put more sunscreen on and I didn't. And you end up coming home and you think, oh my gosh, my face is a little red. So a couple things. First, apply more sunscreen. If you happen to be at home and you realize it's too late for that, here you go. My favorite thing is climate control. Have you heard of sodium hyaluronate? It is amazing. We have had it in our climate control. I think we've had this for probably 16 years. What's unique about this product, this bottle, and I'm going to show you how to activate it. This product balances the climate that's in the wherever you are and what's in your skin. It also takes away burn like that. Now, you may still peel depending on how bad you were, but it takes the burn right out. It has all your omegas, your essential oils. It has Seneplex complex. That's that fluid in the top here, that clear fluid. And then the blue is the gel that has all the goodness, the sodium hyaluronate. Sodium hyaluronate. That is our blend, our very tiny, tiny molecular blend, the sodium hyaluronate, which holds 1,000 times its weight in moisture. So what's really awesome, if you ever get a curling iron burn or sunburn or an oven, and you put your arm on the oven, this stops the burn. So that's our first step. So let me show you how you activate it, because this is mine. You can see it's like this gel, and I'm down to the very bottom. Now the tube comes down into the bottom. So you have to, when you get to the bottom, you're like constantly trying to pack the product where the tube is so you can spray. I probably could get some, look at that, but then it stops. So I'm at the very bottom. I'm not wasting that at all. Here's how you activate it, because we don't want it activated while it's sitting on my shelf before it gets to you. I want it activated when it gets in your hands. So take the lid off and hold it right here, because it can get slippy, and shake vigorously. This is how you get your exercise. Look at how beautiful that is. Now, all of that sodium hyaluronate, the Seneplex complex, your omegas, your essential oils, it's all mixed up into one fancy tube. This product now, you could take it on a plane. It's the right size for an airplane, because you know when you get on an airplane, it sucks every bit of moisture out of you. All right, so now what you do, get your sprayer going. I do like 3 or 4 sprays. Look at this. What's unique about this is it has 2 patents. One is the ingredient and one is on the delivery system. So it locks the moisture that's in the air into the little cells and then brings it deep into your skin. So I take that and put that everywhere. I actually put more on after my shower today. I put more on, and then I'll put more on now. I'll put some more on tonight before I go to bed. All right, I had my sunscreen on everywhere else, and my face, I just needed more because I was sweating so much, I guess. So anyway, that is how you start it. So here is the before activation, after activation. The next thing that helps with sunburn takes the red out of your face completely. This is our Color Correcting Tinted Moisturizer. It is my favorite. Not only is it anti-aging product, it is skincare, it is your moisturizer, it is your natural sun protection. I should have had more of it on today. It lasts until you wash it off. And it color corrects to your skin, so it evens out your skin tone without like feeling heavy on your skin. It's so sheer. I'll show you just half of my face. You can rub it in with your hands. You can rub it in with your makeup brush. I like to use a stipple brush. You can even use a sponge, a damp sponge, to rub it in. I use a very dense, flat makeup brush. Look at all this redness on my face. Watch it disappear in front of your eyes. I'll just do half so you can see. When you first put it on, you think, oh, that's not really my color. It comes in 6 shades. It will match. Unless you're way off on colors, I can help guide you to show you just what color you want. But the green in it helps balance out and counteracts the red. It's so amazing. Look at the difference. Just a little bit of color correcting tinted moisturizer versus sunburn. I'm telling you, one of my all-time favorite products. If you have a little bit of rosacea on your face, or just capillaries that you can see, or any kind of acne scarring, anything that leaves your face a little bit red, including sunburn, color correcting tinted moisturizer totally knocks the red out, evens out your skin. So you can still see, like, you're gonna see freckles, you're gonna see, you know, my skin through it, but it evens out the highs and the low. And look how it just, where I was really red here and then it's lighter here, it just evens everything out. It's pretty amazing. So your 2 new best friends, or be better and use before you go out.